president and FEMA are preparing.
The president just left FEMA headquarters where he met with Administrator Craig Fugate and other officials who are coordinating the federal response to Hurricane Matthew. President Obama says that the storm is a serious storm that could have devastating impacts. He's urging anyone in Matthew's path to take evacuation orders from local and state officials seriously.
You can always rebuild. You can always repair property. You cannot restore a life if it is lost, and we want to make sure that we minimize any possible loss of life or risk.
A FEMA spokesman tells me the agency has staff on the ground in Florida, Georgia, and both the Carolinas, where there are declared states of emergencies. FEMA is taking a newer approach. It's already sent workers and equipment close to the areas where heavy damage is expected. That way, supplies can get there faster after the storm passes. Now, the president had been scheduled to travel to Florida for campaign events that was postponed due to Hurricane Matthew. Reporting live in Washington, I'm Jacqueline Fell, Fox 23 News.